Hi guys, how is it going? It's Sabi here again with another new video. So in today's video I will tell you how to open a bank account in Australia. So if you are a new student, just arrived in Australia, or a new migrant, this video is for you. Alright, so Australia has several major banks and there are top 4 banks in Australia. Number 1 is Commonwealth Bank, which is also called CBA, Westpac Bank, ANZ Bank, and number 4 is NAB, National Australia Bank. These banks have branches all over Australia and easy online access. You can also consider digital banks like Up, ING, or UBank if you prefer app-based banking. Alright, there are some pro tips here. Check who offers a fee-free accounts for students or new migrants. Okay, step 2. Apply online. You can apply online even before arriving in Australia up to the 3 months in advance. So just go to the bank website and fill out the online application form. You will need your full name, passport number, visa details, expected arrival time or dates, and Australian address. It can be a temporary address, that's not a problem. So after you arrive, you will need to visit a branch with your ID to verify it in person. Step 3. What documents do you need? When you go to the bank, take these documents: your passport, your Australian visa, proof of Australian address, so it can be a utility bill, lease agreement, or letter from your university or your work. Sometimes just your passport and visa are enough to start the account. There are 2 main types of accounts. Number 1 is everyday transaction account for daily use, spending bills, and ATM withdrawal. The second account is saving accounts to earn interest on money you don't spend. Most people open both accounts together. Alright, step 5. Access your account. Once your account is approved, you will get a debit card via mail to your postal address within 5 to 10 business days. And you will also get internet banking access and a mobile banking app to check balance, send money, and pay bills. Now the last step is to set up your Pay ID using your phone or email. So people can transfer money into your bank account by just typing your mobile phone number. Alright guys, this is it for today. I hope you found this video really helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the latest upcoming videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.